kallattiidhaan gadaa miidiyaa neetworkiidhaan darbaa jira. Waraabbiin kun gadaa miidiyaa neetworkiidhaanis darbaa jira. Sanaaf gadaa miidiyaa neetworkiin kallattiidhaan biyya keessatti saatalaayitii gubbaatti dabarsaa jiranii. Sanaaf hawaasni keenya please State Department fuula qabna. Warra Keeniyaa DMV naannoo kana jirtanii State Department fuula jirra. Hawaasni keenya maaloo hidhatinaa hin gaggabduu sa'a muraasa as turra.
Stop genocide in Oromia! Stop genocide in Oromia! Respect human rights 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 in Oromia! Leave the state of emergency in Oromia now! 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 Leave the command post on Oromia now! Leave the command post in Oromia now! Leave command post on Oromia now! Leave command post in Oromia now! Ethiopian Army Force! Ethiopian Army Force! Stop killing Oromos! Stop killing Oromos! Ethiopian Army Force! Ethiopian Army Force! Stop raping Oromo women! Stop raping Oromo women! Ethiopian Army Force! Ethiopian Army Force! Stop displacing Oromo farmers! Stop displacing Oromo farmers! Stop burning Oromo village! Stop Oromo village! Stop burning Oromia! Stop burning Oromia! Ethiopian Army Force! Ethiopian Army Force! Stop killing Oromos! Stop killing Oromos! Ethiopian Army Force! Ethiopian Army Force! Stop raping Oromo women! Stop raping Oromo women! Eritrean troops out of Oromia! 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 No justice in Oromia!
No justice in Oromia!
No justice in Oromia!
No justice in Oromia!
No peace in Ethiopia!
No peace in Ethiopia!
No peace in Ethiopia!
No peace in Ethiopia!
Amara militia out of Oromia!
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 Oromia belongs to Oromos!
Oromia belongs to Oromos!
Oromia belongs to Oromos!
Oromia belongs to Oromos!
No justice in Oromia!
No justice in Oromia!
No justice in Tigray!
No justice in Tigray!
No justice in Sidama!
No justice in Sidama!
No justice in Benishangul!
No justice in Benishangul!
No peace in Ethiopia!
No peace in Ethiopia!
No peace in Ethiopia!
No peace in Ethiopia!
We demand!
We demand!
We demand!
We demand!
Crime against humanity!
Crime against humanity!
In Oromia!
In Oromia!
In Tigray!
In Tigray!
In Benishangul!
In Benishangul!
We demand!
We demand!
We demand!
We demand!
Crime against humanity!
Crime against humanity!
Crime against humanity!
Crime against humanity!
In Oromia!
In Oromia!
In Tigray!
In Tigray!
Oromia shall be free!
Oromia shall be free!
Oromia shall be free!
Oromia shall be free!
United States!
United States!
United States!
United States!
Recognize
Recognize
the genocide in Ethiopia!
the genocide in
The
Ethiopia!
genocide in Oromia!
Genocide in
The
Oromia!
genocide in Tigray!
Genocide in Tigray!
United States!
United States!
United States!
United States!
Recognize
Recognize
the genocide in Oromia!
Recognize in Oromia!
Eritrean troops out of Oromia!
Eritrean troops out of Oromia!
Eritrean troops out of Ethiopia!
Eritrean troops out of Ethiopia!
Justice for our prisoners!
Justice for our prisoners!
Free all Oromo political prisoners!
Free all Oromo!
Free all Oromo political prisoners!
Free all Oromo political prisoners!
Stop drone attacks!
Stop drone attacks!
Stop drone attacks!
Stop drone attacks!
On civilian in Wallo!
In civilian in Wallo!
On civilians in Wallo!
On civilian in Wallo!
Respect human rights in Ethiopia!
Respect human rights in Ethiopia!
Respect human rights in Oromia!
Respect human rights in Oromia!
Ethiopian Armed Force!
Ethiopian Army Force!
Ethiopian Armed Force!
Ethiopian Army
Stop
Force!
raping Oromo women!
Stop raping Oromo women!
Stop raping Oromo women!
Stop raping Oromo women!
Amara militia out of Oromia!
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 I'll say we demand justice, you say now. We demand justice!
No!
We demand justice!
No!
We demand freedom!
No!
We demand freedom!
No!
We demand democracy!
No!
We demand democracy!
No!
No justice!
No
I say no justice, you say no peace. No justice!
No peace!
No justice!
No peace!
No justice!
No peace!
No democracy!
No peace!
No democracy!
No peace!
Release all Oromo political prisoners now! Release all Oromo political prisoners now!
Political prisoners now!
Referendum for Oromia now!
Referendum for Oromia now!
Referendum for Oromia now!
Referendum for Oromia now!
Justice for Hachalu Hundessa 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 now!
We demand!
We demand!
We demand!
We demand!
Independent investigation
Independent
into
investigation
Hachalu's murder now!
into Hachalu's murder
Into
now!
Hachalu's murder now!
Into Hachalu's murder now!
Independent investigation!
Independent investigation!
Independent investigation!
Independent investigation!
Into crime against humanity in Oromia now!
Into
Independent investigation in Oromia now! Dismantle the Naftanya system in Oromia!
dismantle the system in Oromia!
Naftanya out of Oromia!
Naftanya out of Oromia!
Naftanya out of Oromia!
Naftanya out of Oromia!
Oromia belongs to Oromo!
Oromo belongs to Oromo!
Justice yes!
Justice yes!
Justice yes!
Justice yes!
Dictatorship no!
Dictatorship no!
Dictatorship no!
Dictatorship no!
Freedom yes!
Freedom yes!
Freedom yes!
Freedom yes!
Slavery no!
Slavery no!
Freedom yes!
Freedom yes!
Freedom yes!
Freedom yes!
Slavery no!
Slavery no!
Peace yes!
Peace yes!
Peace yes!
Peace yes!
War no!
War no!
What do we demand?
Justice!
What do we demand?
Justice!
When do we demand?
Now!
What do we demand?
Justice!
What do we demand?
Justice!
Democracy for Oromia!
Democracy for Oromia!
Peace for Oromia!
Peace for Oromia!
Justice for Oromia!
Justice for Oromia!
Let people decide!
Let people decide!
Referendum now!
Referendum now!
Referendum now!
Referendum now!
Naftanya out of Oromia!
Naftanya out of Oromia!
Oromia belongs to Oromos!
Oromo belongs to Oromo!
Amara militia out of Oromia!
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 We demand peace in Oromia now!
We demand peace in Oromia now!
Justice in Oromia now!
Justice in Oromia now!
No justice in Oromia!
No justice in Oromia!
No justice in Oromia!
No justice in Oromia!
No peace in Ethiopia!
No peace in Ethiopia!
No justice in Tigray!
No justice in Tigray!
No peace in Oromia!
No peace in Oromia!
Oromia shall be free!
We hold
We hold
the Ethiopian regime
the Ethiopian regime
responsible for genocide. We hold the Ethiopian regime responsible for genocide. Self-determination for the Oromo people. Self-determination for the Oromo people. Self-determination is a universal right. Oromo.
Hakanu.
No freedom.
No freedom.
No peace.
No peace.
No justice.
No justice.
No justice.
No justice.
No peace.
No peace.
Stop genocide in Oromia.
Stop genocide in Oromia.
Stop genocide in Oromia.
Stop genocide in Oromia.
No justice.
No justice.
No justice.
No justice.
No peace.
No peace.
No justice.
No justice.
No peace.
No peace.
Free all.
Free all.
Free all.
Free all.
Oromo.
Political prisoners.
Free all.
Free all. Free all. Oromo. Political prisoners.
Free all.
Free all. Free all. Oromo. Political prisoners.
We seek
international intervention in Ethiopia. We seek US We seek international intervention in Oromia.
Down with PP violence.
Down with PP's violence.
Down with PP tyrant.
Down with PP's tyrant.
Down with PP tyrant.
Down with PP's tyrant.
Down with PP violence.
Down with PP's violence. No
To dictatorship.
dictatorship.
No
To
dictatorship.
dictatorship.
No
To
dictatorship.
dictatorship. No subjugation. Subjugation.
No to
No to
subjugation.
subjugation.
Stop
Political, social, economic
Possible
depression in Oromia.
in Oromia. Stop political, social, economic repression
in Oromia.
in Oromia. Stop killing, raping Oromo woman. Stop burning Oromo farmers village. Stop burning Oromo farms. Stop killing, raping Oromo woman. Jirtu. No justice.
No justice.
No justice.
No justice.
No peace.
No peace.
No peace.
No peace.
Forcing children
Forcing children
to war is a crime. Forcing children to war is a crime. Forcing children to war is a crime. Stop drone attacks on civilians in Wallo. Stop drone attacks on civilians in Wallo. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is a liar. Abiy Ahmed is a liar. Ethiopian government is a liar. Forcing children to war is a crime. There is no legitimate government in Ethiopia. Justice for Oromo innocent civilians killed by Ethiopian armed forces. Stop displacing Oromos. Oromia belongs to Oromos. No justice. No peace. No justice. No democracy. Independent investigation into crimes against humanity. In Oromia now.
Oromia now.
In Oromia now.
Oromia now.
Justice for Hachalu Hundessa.
Justice for Hachalu Hundessa.
Justice for Hachalu Hundessa.
Justice for Hachalu Hundessa.
Abiy Ahmed.
Abiy Ahmed.
Abiy Ahmed
Abiy Ahmed
is a terrorist.
is a terrorist.
Is a terrorist.
Is a terrorist.
Abiy Ahmed.
Abiy Ahmed.
Abiy Ahmed
Abiy Ahmed
is a threat. A threat to peace. To peace. Abiy Ahmed
Abiy Ahmed
is a threat. A threat to democracy. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed is a threat. A threat to democracy. Abiy Ahmed is a liar. Abiy Ahmed is unfit to lead Ethiopia. Abiy Ahmed is terrorizing East Africa. East Africa. US. Keep your promise. Abiy Ahmed cannot bring peace to East Africa. Stop forcing children to war. Forcing children to war. Is crime. Stop drone attacks on civilians in Wallo. Stop the drone attacks on civilians in Wallo. We support our liberation army. Stop genocide in Oromia. Respect human rights in Oromia. Respect human rights in Tigray. Respect human rights in Tigray. Respect human rights in Benishangul Gums. Respect human rights in Benishangul Gums. We condemn extrajudicial killing by Ethiopian armed forces. Referendum now. Eritrean troops out of Oromia. Amhara militia out of Oromia. Oromia shall be free. Let the people decide. We demand justice. When? Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is terrorizing Oromos. Abiy Ahmed is terrorizing Ethiopia.
Oromo jirtu, esa boro esa jirtu, Oromia jirtu iti, absom loga. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Ethiopian regime is a terrorist. Ethiopian regime. Abiy regime.
Ethiopian regime
is a terrorist.
is a terrorist.
US. Keep. You promise. US. Keep. You promise. Stop funding. Supporting the terrorist regime of Ethiopia. US. Stop supporting funding the Ethiopian regime, the terrorist regime of Horn of Africa. US, break, you're silent. US, break, you're silent. US, stop funding, supporting the Ethiopian regime. US, stand with Oromo people. US, stand with Oromo people. Marching for freedom. Oromo people marching for peace, for equality, for justice. Oromo people
ولي فودار توني ميادا
demand for equality, for justice, for freedom.
Konkolaataa warri akka sana dhaabbatanii keessa keessa jiru konkolaataa keessa jakaa achi kaasaa.
Okay, warri kaan itti fufna. Oromoo jirtu nuyi eenyu? Abbaa biyyaa Oromooti. Naftanyaan dhuftee biyya keenya hin fudhattu lubbuu keenyaan jirru. Oromoo jirtu in qabsooftu Oromiyaadhaaf. Oromoo jirtu. Who are we? What do we need? When do we need? Abiy Ahmed. Ethiopian Prime Minister. Is a terrorist. Respect human rights in Oromia. No justice in Oromia. No peace in Ethiopia. No justice in Tigray. No peace in Ethiopia. Eritrean troops out of Ethiopia. Eritrean troops out of Oromia. Amara militia out of Oromia. US support, stand with the peace-loving Oromo people. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is a butcher. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is unfit to lead. Abiy Ahmed is unfit to lead. Abiy Ahmed is unqualified to lead. Amara militia, Amara special forces must be out of Oromia. We demand independent investigation into extrajudicial killings and human rights violation in Ethiopia. Abiy must go. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Stop displacing Oromo farmers. Justice for Oromo. Civilians killed by Ethiopian militias. Amara militias. Gaaffii keenya. Gaaffii abbaa biyyummaati. Oromiyaan kan Oromooti. ethnic-based violence, ethnic-based attacks in Oromia, Eritrean troops out of Oromia, Eritrean troops out of Ethiopia, Amara militias out of Oromia. What do we need? What do we need? When do we need? When do we need?
Now.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Justice for Hachalu Hundessa.
Justice for Hachalu Hundessa.
We demand independent investigation for Hachalu's murder.
For Hachalu's murder.
We demand all Oromo political prisoners released now. Released now. Respect human rights in Oromia. Respect human rights in Oromia. Respect human rights in Oromia. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Oromo jirtu. Oromo jirtu. Maal gochuu qabna. Qabsaa'uu qabna miti. Tokkummaan keenya murteessaadha. Gaaffii nuyi gaafannu eenyuun utuu hin ta'in of gaafanna. Gaaffiin keenya nuyi of gaafannu Oromoon abbaa biyyaa ta'uu qaba. Hattuuf gantuun Oromiyaa irratti dhuftee dagaaddee nagaadhaan jiraachuu hin qabdu. Biyyi sun kan isheen nagaa taatu haati Oromoo yoo hin boonyeedha. Kana gochuuf what do we do now? What do we do now? What are we doing now? Respect human rights in Oromia. Respect human rights in Oromia. Oromia shall be free.
Oromia shall be free.
Ethiopian Army Force. Ethiopian Army Force. Respect human rights in Oromia. Ethiopian Army Force. Ethiopian Army Force. Stop raping Oromo women. Stop raping Oromo women. Ethiopian Air Force. Ethiopian Air Force. Stop bombing the Wallo Oromos. Stop bombing Wallo Oromos. Justice for Oromos. Justice for Oromia. There is no legitimate government in Ethiopia. There is no legitimate government in Oromia. We demand the transitional government in Oromia. We demand investigation, independent investigation into Hachalu's murder. Abiy Ahmed is a criminal. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Justice for Hachalu Hundessa. Free all Oromo political prisoners.
Free all Oromo political prisoners.
No Netanyahu's rule again in Oromia. No Netanyahu's rule again in Oromia. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Oromia belongs to Oromos. We demand independent investigation into the crime against humanity in Oromia. Eritrean troops out of Ethiopia. Eritrean troops out of Oromia. Amara militia out of Oromia. Amara militia out of Oromia. Justice yes. Justice yes. Democracy yes. Democracy yes. Dictatorship no. Dictatorship no. Peace yes. Peace yes. War no. War no. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. United States. Recognize the genocide in Oromia. Recognize the genocide in Tigray. United States recognize the genocide in Wallo Oromos.
Wallo Oromos.
No drone attack on Wallo Oromos.
No drone attack on Wallo Oromos.
No drone attack on peaceful Wallo Oromos.
No drone.
I'm sorry. Sagalee ko cufumaa jira. Narkaa nama fuudhama jira. Anyway, Oromo jirtu. 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 Who are we? Who are we? Why are we here?
For justice.
What do we demand? When do we demand? Ethiopian Armed Force out of Oromia.
Ethiopian Army Force out.
Amara militia out of Oromia.
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 Shamarran keenya jirtan kota so in dadhabnu ganaa sa'aatii baay'ee qabna uummata keenyaaf sagalee ta'uudhaaf as jirra warri kaan adda isaanii rasaasaan dha'aa jiru Oromiyaa bilisa baasuudhaaf diinni hadhageessu diinni akka dhageessu Oromiyaan baraanuun bitamtu naftanyaan baraan lammata Oromiyaa gabroonfachuu hin dandeessu Oromoo lafarraa fixxi malee Oromiyaa keessa diinni naftanyaa dhuftee bashannantee jiraata ummanni Oromoo baraan hin bitamu dinneerra miti Abiy is a killer Abiy Ahmed Ethiopian Prime Minister is promoting genocide in Ethiopia, genocide in Oromia, genocide in Tigray. No justice in Oromia. No justice in Oromia. No justice in Oromia. No peace in Ethiopia. Naftanya out of Oromia. Naftanya out of Oromia. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Amara militia out of Oromia. Amara militia out of Oromia. Ethiopian Army Force. Ethiopian Army Force. Stop raping Oromo women. Stop raping Oromo women. Stop killing Oromo students. We demand the genocide to stop in Oromia. Oromia shall be free. Oromia must be free. Oromia must be free. Declare no-fly zone in Ethiopia. United States. We demand to declare no-fly zone in Ethiopia. No-fly zone in Ethiopia. No drone attack on Oromo Waldos. No bombing peaceful Oromos. No bombing peaceful Oromos. Abiy must go. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Who are we? Who are we? What do we need? When do we need? Stop drone attack on Oromo civilians.
Stop the drone attack on Oromo civilians.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Isaan jaalladha Oromoo kootti fufa.
Jirtu. Justice yes. Justice yes. Justice yes. Peace yes. Peace yes. War no. War no. Destruction no. Destruction no. Terrorism no. Terrorism no. Stop. Stop. Genocide. Genocide. In Oromia. In Oromia. Stop. Stop. The genocide. In Tigray. In Tigray. Abiy Ahmed. Is a terrorist. A terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is a liar. A liar. Abiy Ahmed is
is unfit to lead. Unfit to lead. Justice, yes.
Justice, yes.
Justice, yes.
Justice, yes.
Peace, yes.
Peace, yes.
Peace, yes.
Peace, yes.
Democracy, yes.
Democracy, yes.
Democracy, yes.
Democracy, yes.
War, no.
War, no.
War, no.
War, no.
Destruction, no.
Destruction, no.
Destruction, no.
Destruction, no.
Terrorism, no.
Terrorism, no.
We demand.
We demand.
We demand.
We demand
Independent investigation.
independent investigation.
Independent investigation
Investigation
into Hachalu's murder, Jawada. Into Hachalu's murder. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. A terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is terrorizing the Horn of Africa. The Horn of Africa. Abiy Ahmed is a threat to justice, a threat to democracy, a threat to peace, a threat to development. Isini kabanofna na isnang kabanay. Bigar bachuna mal tatan. Warri as jirtan ho amale. Respect. Respect.
respect
Human rights.
human rights
Human rights in Oromia.
in Oromia.
In Oromia.
In Oromia.
Lift. State of emergency.
State of emergency.
State of emergency.
State of emergency.
In Oromia now.
Oromia now.
In Oromia now.
Oromia now.
Ethiopian armed forces.
Ethiopian Armed Forces.
Ethiopian armed forces.
Ethiopian Armed Forces.
Stop killing Oromos. Stop killing Oromos. Eritrean troops out of Oromia. Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
Amhara militias.
Amara militias.
Amhara militia.
Amara militia.
Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
We condemn.
We condemn.
We condemn crime against humanity. Crime against humanity. In Oromia. In Oromia. In Tigray. In Tigray. In Benishangul Gums. In Benishangul Gums. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. We demand justice now. We demand justice now. No Naftanya rule. No Naftanya rule. Again in Oromia. Again in Oromia. No Naftanya rule. No Naftanya rule. Again in Oromia. Forcing children to war is a crime. Is a crime. Forcing children to war is a crime. Is a crime. Stop drone attacks on civilians in Wallo. Stop drone attacks on civilians in Wallo. Allow humanitarian access in Oromia. In Tigray. Justice for all political prisoners. There is no legitimate government in Ethiopia. Abiy Ahmed is a liar. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is a threat to justice to justice in East Africa. Abiy Ahmed is a threat to justice in East Africa.
Oromo jirtu akkam jirtu humna qabna miti dhugaa dubbachuudhaaf Oromoon har'a hojii keessan dhiiftanii yeroo gabaabaa keessatti ergaan kun isin qaqqabee hojii safuu ta'u maatii keessan waan kanaan dura godhaa jirtan irraa guyyaa tokko dhiistanii guyyaa gabaabaa keessatti dammaqinaan iddoo kanatti argamuu keessaniif hedduu nama jabeessa dhugaadhuma dubbachuudhaaf hamilee guddaa qabdu mee ofii keessanii hamilee ofiif kennaa baga Oromoo taatan baga Oromoo taane ummata keenya karaa irratti ajjeefamee ijoollee haadha Oromoo boossuuf quuqama sababa qabdaniif guyyaa muraasa keessatti ergaan kun isin qaqqabee dhuftanii wal bira dhaabbachuu dandeenya. Hawwiin keenya Oromoon bakka jiru ilmaan Oromoo haadha Oromoo boossu sammuutti qabachuudhaan iddoo kanatti argamnee yeroo hundaa bakka Oromoon barbaadutti bakka nuyi silaa sagalee Oromoo taanutti walitti qabamnee uummata keenyaaf sagalee akka taanu wanti kun akka kanattiin itti fufuu qaba. Kana caalaa immoo gaafa qophoofnu namni kumaatamaan jooyinii nu godha jedheen abdii godha. Kanaaf baga Oromoo taane baga jabaanne uummata keenyaaf sagalee ta'uudhaaf bagaas jiraanne waraanni bilisummaa Oromoo waggaa 3 caalaadhaaf bosona keessatti adda isaa rasaasaan kan rukuchiisaa jiru Oromoo walqixxee hunduma keenyaa wajjin qabu. Oromoo isaan bosona keessaa qabaniif Oromoo nuyi qabnu tokkuma. Namni tokko Oromoo ana caalaa hin qabu. Namni sin caalaa qabu hin jiru. Wal caalaa miti hundumti keenya garuu Oromoo salphatte hin arginu jenneeti. Yeroo gabaabaa keessatti iddoo kanatti argamtan hedduun isin galateeffadha. Hamileedhaan akka yeroo hunda hamileedhaan jabaadhaa aduun hin jiru. Kana caalaa bosona keessa ciisuun daggala keessa ciisuun qoraatii irra deemuun illee hin jira. Kana caalaa jabaannee uummata keenyaaf hamma dhufnetti sagalee ta'an. Gabrummaa nurratti labsame nafxanyaan barabaraan Oromoo garboonfachuudhaaf wanti isheen gootu baraan iyyuu hin milkooftu. Keessumaa amma yeroo kana sababa isheen akka isheen milkooftu kan godhu Oromoon wal bira dhaabbachuu dadhabuusaati. Oromoon wal bira dhaabbannaan sababni nuyi hin bilisoomneef hin jiru. Kanammoo kan goonu yeroo gabaabaa keessatti hin goona. Jaantii keenya itti fufnaa hajabaannu jabaadhaan isiniin jedha. Who are we? Who are we?
Gannaas jettee jiru hundi ta'ee jiru obboleettiin keenya tokko daa'ima waggaa tokko qabattee haasmu keessa jirtullee jirti. Mee sila dirqamuma haa ta'u garuu I just want to recognize her. Daa'ima ishee qabattee as waggaa tokko dhufuu isheetitti baay'een gammadaa fayyaa ta'ee daa'imni sifaa guddattu asillee galatoomee barbaadaa turte.
Galatooma warri mana jirtan kanallee nageenya baay'een keenya amma laayifii irratti darbaa jira. Oromoon kana hin arga haati mucaa waggaa tokko mucaasee qabattee as jiraachuun sababa Oromoon dhiigaa jirtuufi hayyoonni keenya sababa salphataniif diinni keenya sababa nurratti dhaadachaa jirtuuf waan an godhu tokko yoo jiraate jetteeti kanas jirtu. So we shall be free. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. Who are we? Who are we? What do we need? What do we need?
Freedom.
When do we need?
Freedom.
Stop drone attack on civilians in Oromia. Stop drone attacks on civilians in Oromia.
Civilians.
There is no justice in Oromia.
Justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
Justice in Oromia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
We demand.
We demand
Ethnic-based attacks.
Ethnic-based attacks
by the Ethiopian regime. To stop. Eritrean troops out of Oromia. Amara militia out of Oromia. Amara militia out of Oromia. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is a butcher. Abiy unfit to lead. Abiy is unfit to lead. Amara militia out of Oromia. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Amara special force.
Amara Special Force.
Amara Special Force
Amara Special Force
must be held
must be held
accountable
accountable
for the atrocities committed on the Wallo Oromos. Gaffin Kenya, Gaffin Kenya, Absaun Kenya, Absau Ababi Yumati, Gaffin Kenya, Gaffin Kenya, Gaffi Ababi Yumati, Naftanyan, Lamata, Oromo Hingarpositu, Oromo Hinbitu, Naftanya out of Oromia,
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 Naftanya out of Oromia.
Oromia belongs to Oromos,
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromos,
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Abi a killer,
Abi the killer.
Abi is a killer.
Abi the killer.
We demand,
We demand.
we demand
We demand
the transitional government
the transitional government
of Oromia,
of Oromia.
of Oromia,
Of Oromia.
Amara militia out of Oromia,
Amara militia out of Oromia.
Amara militia out of Oromia.
Amara militia out of Oromia.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No justice in Sidama.
No justice in Sidama.
No justice in Sidama.
No justice in Sidama.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No justice in Tigray.
No justice in
No
Tigray.
justice in Tigray.
No justice in Tigray.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
Amara militia out of Oromia.
Amara militia out of Oromia.
Naftanyas are not welcomed in Oromia.
Naftanya out of 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 Oromia.
Oromia shall be free.
Oromia shall be free.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Ethiopian Armed Force.
Ethiopian Army Force.
Ethiopian Armed Force.
Ethiopian Army Force.
Stop raping Oromo women.
Stop raping Oromo women.
Stop killing Oromo students.
Stop killing Oromo students.
No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Naftanya out of
We
Oromia.
demand.
We demand.
We demand.
We demand.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromia.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromia.
Eritrean troops out of Oromia. Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
United States.
United States.
United States.
United States.
Recognize
Recognize
the genocide
the genocide
in Oromia,
in Oromia.
in Tigray,
Tigray.
in Oromia. Recognize
Recognize
the genocide
genocide
performed by the Amara militia on Wallo Oromos in Oromia. Respect human rights. Respect human rights in Oromia. Ethiopian Armed Force. Ethiopian Armed Force out of Oromia. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Amara militia. Amara militia out of Oromia. Out of Tigray. Amara militia out of Oromia. Out of Tigray. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. Oromia will be free. Oromia must be free. Oromia will be free. Oromia will be free. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Amara militia out of Oromia. Naftanya out of Oromia. Naftanya out of Oromia. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Naftanya out of Oromia. We demand. We force. We will do it. Naftanya out of Oromia. We shall force. We shall force We will kick Naftanya out of Oromia. Naftanya out of Oromia. Ethiopian Air Force. Ethiopian Air Force. Stop bombing.
Stop bombing.
Oromo Wallos.
Oromo Wallos.
Stop bombing.
Stop bombing.
Oromo Wallos.
Oromo Wallos.
Stop attacking.
Stop attacking.
Stop drone attack
Stop drone attack
on civilians in Wallo.
on civilians in Wallo.
On civilians in Tigray.
Civilians in Tigray.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
United States.
United States.
United States.
United States.
Stop supporting.
Stop supporting.
Stop supporting.
Stop supporting.
Stop funding
Stop funding
the terrorist government.
the terrorist
The
government.
butcher government.
Butcher government.
The killer government
Killer government
in Ethiopia.
in Ethiopia.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is a terrorist.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is a terrorist.
United States.
United States.
United States.
United States
Recognize
recognize
the genocide
genocide
in Oromia.
in Oromia.
The genocide
The genocide
in Tigray.
Tigray.
The genocide
Genocide
in Wallo Oromos. United States. Stop funding. Stop supporting. Stop funding. Stop supporting. Stop financing the butcher government, the killer government, the terrorist government in Ethiopia. In Ethiopia. Amara militia. Amara militia. Out of Oromia. Out of Oromia. No. No. Gaffin Kenya. Gaffin Kenya. Biyya Kenya. Bulfachuudha. Gaaffiin Oromoo biyya isaa abbaa ta'uudha. Biyya isaa irratti abbaa ta'uudha. Hattuuf gattuun naftanyaan Oromiyaa hin bulchitu. Oromiyaa keessa hin jiraattu. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Amara militia out of Oromia. United States. United States. Stop supporting. Stop supporting. Stop financing the butcher government, the killer government, the terrorist government in Ethiopia. In Ethiopia. We demand the genocide in Oromia. We demand the genocide to stop in Oromia. In Oromia. Stop land grabbing in Oromia. Amara militia out of Oromia. Stop terrorizing Oromo farmers. Stop displacing Oromo farmers. The time for independence is now.
The time independence is now.
The time for independence is now.
The time for independence is now.
Respect human rights in Oromia.
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 Stop land grabbing in Oromia.
Stop land grabbing in Oromia.
Oromia is not for sale.
Oromia is not for sale.
Neither for Naftanyas.
Never for the
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
We demand the independent investigation
The independent investigation
in Oromia.
in Oromia.
We demand
We demand
the genocide
the genocide
to stop
to stop
in Oromia.
in Oromia.
Declare
Declare
no-fly zone
no-fly zone
in Oromia.
in Oromia.
In Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
Amara militia out of Oromia.
Amara militia out of Oromia.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Naftanya out of Oromia.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to
Ethiopian Armed Force. Ethiopian Armed Force. Stop raping Oromo women. Stop killing Oromo students. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Oromia shall be free. Isnan jaalladha Oromo ko.
Oromo jirtu eessa odeessi jirtu ji'arraa Finfinnee jirra kanaaf hojjennee bu'aa hojii keenya argachuu qabna sagalee ummata keenyaa ta'uuf warri dhuftan hundinuu galanni guddaan isiniif haa ta'u amma isaan dhufanii xalaan ulkaa fuudhanitti sagalee keenya
walii qoqqooduu hin dagatina fayyaa ta'a hiriirri yeroo ammaa State Department Washington DC fuulduratti argamna. Hawaasni Oromoo baay'ataniif miti argaa jirtu yeroo gabaabaa keessatti hiriirri kunis qophaa'e warra hafan qobannu sanaafuu hawaasni keenya akkuma dandeessan ba'atii hawaasni keenya dhumaa jiruuf
sagalee keenya ol kaafne sirna abbaa irree kana balaaleffanna Oromoo jirtu Oromoo jirtu We hold
Gadaa Media Arras deemtanii daawwachuu dandeessu. Gadaa Media Arras darbaa jira. Gadaa Media
We hold the Ethiopian regime.
Peejii Gadaa Media irrattanii amma dura waan jalaa cufamee fi laayikii gochuun hin dagatina, follow gochuun hin dagatina, fayyaa ta'a.
For the Oromo people. Self-determination. For the Oromo people. Oromo Self-determination is a universal right. It's a universal right. Self-determination for the Oromo people. No freedom. No freedom. No peace. No freedom. No peace. No freedom. No justice. No equality. No freedom. No peace. No peace in Oromia. No peace in Oromia. No peace in Ethiopia. No peace in Ethiopia. No peace in East Africa. Stop genocide in Oromia. Stop genocide in Oromia. We hold the Ethiopian rules responsible for genocide. Free all Oromo political prisoners. There is no democracy in Ethiopia. There is no democracy in Ethiopia. We seek international intervention in Ethiopia. We seek international sanction against Ethiopia. Oromo struggle is for peace and equality. We march for freedom. Nuti. Hankabsomnu. Mirga. Hiree murteeffannaa. Uummata Oromoo. Mirkaneessuufi. OLA. Fighting for the Oromo people. We all behind the OLA. Ummata Oromoti. OLA. Fighting for the Oromo people. We all behind the OLA. Oromon. Amma.
Mirga Abbasa, Harka Tutti, Kapson, Ire Murtepanna, Ittifufa, Oromiyan, kan Oromoti, Kawen kubne, bilisomna, OLA, fighting for the Oromo right, we all support behind the OLA, behind OLA. Stop genocide in Oromia!
Stop genocide in Oromia!
Stop genocide in Oromia!
Stop genocide in Oromia!
Respect!
Human right
in Oromia! Lift! The state of emergency!
The state of emergency
in Oromia!
Now!
Lift!
Lift!
State of emergency!
State of emergency
in Oromia!
Now!
Lift! Command post!
On Oromia! Now!
Ethiopian Army Force!
Ethiopian Armed Force!
Amara Militia Force! Eritrean troops! Out of Oromia! Amara Militia! Eritrean troops! Ethiopian Army! Out of Oromia! US! Break your silence!
US! Stand!
With Oromo people! We marching for equality!
We march for equality!
We marching for freedom!
We march for freedom!
US! Keep your promise! No give taxpayers money for Ethiopia!
No taxpayers money for Ethiopia! Stand!
With Oromo people! We marching for freedom!
We march for freedom!
We fighting for freedom!
We marching for freedom!
We marching for equality!
We marching for equality!
We marching for justice!
We marching for justice!
Justice for the Oromo people!
Justice for Oromo people!
Ethiopian Army! Amara Militia! Stop! Burning! The Oromo farmer's house! Burning the Oromo village! Stop! Burning the Oromo village! Stop! Burning the Oromo farmers! Stop! Raping! Killing! Oromo women! Stop! Ethiopian Army! Abiy Ahmed! Stop! Killing! Raping! Oromo farmers! Ethiopian Army! Out of Oromia! Amara Militia! Stop killing! Oromos! In West Oromia! Amara Militia! Out of Oromia! Eritrean troops! Out of Ethiopia! Eritrean troops! Killing! Oromo women! Oromo children! Stop! Killing! Oromo women! Stop! Burning! Oromo village! Stop! Burning! Oromia! Ethiopian Army Force! Stop killing Oromos! Eritrean troops out of Oromia!
out of Oromia.
हमारा मिलिशिया out of Oromia.
We condemn
crime against
humanity. In Oromia. We condemn crime against humanity. In Oromia. We condemn crime against humanity. In Oromia. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. We demand for justice. We demand for freedom. We demand for democracy. Oromo ajaban.
Oromo jirtu. Hamle ne sajira jirtu. Oromo jirtu. What do we need? When do we need? Stop displacing Oromo women. Stop displacing Oromo farmers.
Stop displacing Oromo farmers.
Gaffin Kenya. Gaffin Ababi Yumati. Gaffin Kenya. Naftanya Oromia kesa basuda. Oromian kan Oromoti. Naftanyan lammata Oromia himbulchitu. Gaffin Kenya. Absaun Kenya. Abba biyya ta'uufi. Eenyuun jalatti bunuuf miti. Oromiyaan of bulchuu qabdi. Kan kana goonu yoo qabsoofnedha. Who are we? Shout them to them. Who are we? The world see us. Who are we? What do we need? What do we need?
Freedom.
When do we need?
Now.
No democracy.
No democracy.
With gun. No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia. No peace in Ethiopia. Never peace in Ethiopia. No justice in Tigray. No justice in Tigray. No peace in Ethiopia. No justice in Oromia. No justice in Oromia. No peace in East Africa. No justice in Oromia. No peace in East Africa.
No peace in East Africa.
Let the African leaders, the African peoples, the United States know that by stepping on Oromia's right, by killing Oromos, by raping Oromo women, by displacing Oromo farmers, there will be no democracy, there will be no justice, there will be no peace in East Africa. Respect human rights in Oromia. Respect human rights in Oromia, there will be peace in Ethiopia. There will be peace in East Africa. Ignoring Oromo's questions, ignoring what Oromo demands, there will be no peace in Ethiopia. There will never be peace in Oromia. There will be no peace in East Africa. You need stability, peace in East Africa, respect human rights in Oromia, respect human rights in Tigray. Answer the demands of what the Oromo people are asking for, what the Tigrayans are dying for. Respect human rights in Tigray, respect human rights in Oromia. Listen to the voice of the Oromo people. There will be a lasting peace in Oromia. Ignoring that, there cannot be peace in Oromia. Oromia will never, ever kneel for any peace, any forces in, whether in East Africa, whether in Ethiopia. Oromia will demand its freedom, will get its freedom. Oromia shall be free.
Oromia shall be free.
Oromia shall be free. Hamiledan hajennu warras jirru. What do we need? When do we need? Mal barbaadna. Nuyi eenyu. Nuyi eenyu. Lafti kan Oromoo kan eenyuti. Kan Oromooti. Naftanyaan Oromiyaa keessaa maal gooti. Oromia hin bulchitu. Oromia belongs to Oromos. Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Stop genocide in Oromia.
Stop genocide in Oromia.
Stop genocide on Oromia.
Stop genocide in Oromia.
Declare no-fly zone in Ethiopia.
Declare no-fly zone in
Declare no-fly zone in Ethiopia.
Declare no-fly zone.
Amara militia out of Oromia.
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 Eritrean troops out of Ethiopia.
Eritrean troops out of Oromia.
Eritrean troops out of Oromia.
Eritrean troops out of
We
Oromia.
demand justice now.
We demand justice now.
We demand justice now.
We demand justice now.
We demand democracy now.
We demand democracy now.
We demand freedom now.
We demand freedom now.
No justice,
No justice.
no democracy.
No democracy.
No justice,
No justice.
no democracy.
No democracy.
No justice,
No justice.
no peace.
No peace.
Release all Oromo political prisoners now.
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 Referendum for Oromia now.
Referendum for Oromia now.
We demand.
We demand.
We demand.
We demand.
Referendum
Referendum
for Oromia now.
for Oromia now.
We demand.
We demand.
Referendum
Referendum
for Oromia now.
for Oromia now.
Justice for Achalu Hundessa 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 now.
We demand.
We demand.
We demand
We demand
independent investigation
independent investigation
for the murder of Achalu Hundessa.
for the murder of Achalu Hundessa.
We demand
We demand
independent investigation.
independent
The
investigation.
crime against humanity
Crime against humanity
in Oromia now.
in Oromia now.
We demand.
We demand.
We demand
We demand
independent investigation
independent
for
investigation
the drone attack
for the drone attack
on Wallo Oromo now.
on Wallo Oromo now.
We demand.
We demand.
We demand
We demand
the ethnic-based prisoning. The ethnic-based prisoning.
the ethnic
The ethnic-based jailing in Addis, in Finfinne. We demand.
We demand.
We demand
We demand
independent investigation.
independent
The
investigation.
crime against Oromia.
Crime against
The crime against in Oromia.
crime against
The crime against human rights in Oromia.
crime against human rights in Oromia.
Now, Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
United States.
United States.
United States.
United States.
We demand.
We demand.
We demand.
We demand.
Recognize
Recognize
the genocide
the genocide
in Oromia.
in Oromia.
The genocide
The genocide
in Tigray.
Tigray.
Stop displacing Oromo farmers.
Stop displacing Oromo farmers.
Stop killing Oromo students.
Stop killing Oromo.
US. Stop funding.
Stop funding.
Stop financing.
Financing.
Stop financing.
Stop financing.
The butcher government. The terrorist government
The terrorist government
in Ethiopia.
in Ethiopia.
US. Stop financing.
Stop financing.
Stop funding.
Stop funding.
Stop wasting
Stop wasting
our tax money.
our tax money.
Our tax money
Our tax money.
on a butcher government.
Abuja government.
On a killer government.
The killer government.
On a killer government
The killer government
in Ethiopia.
in Ethiopia.
Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist.
Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
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 Abiy Ahmed.
Abiy Ahmed.
Abiy Ahmed
Abiy Ahmed.
and his Neftanyas and his Neftanyas cronies are killing Oromos.
Are killing Oromos.
Are killing Oromos.
Are killing Oromos.
Free all Oromo political prisoners now.
All political prisoners now.
Justice in Oromia now.
Justice in Oromia now.
No justice.
No justice.
No democracy.
No democracy.
No justice.
No justice.
No democracy.
No democracy.
No justice.
No justice.
No peace.
No peace.
No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
Let them know that no justice in Oromia, no peace in Ethiopia, right? No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No justice in Tigray.
No justice in Tigray.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
Stop drone attacks.
Stop drone attacks.
Stop drone attacks
Stop drone attacks.
on Wallo civilians.
On Wallo civilians.
On Wallo civilians.
On Wallo civilians.
Abiy must go.
Abiy must go.
Stop displacing Oromo farmers.
Stop depressing Oromo farmers.
Stop displacing Oromo farmers.
Stop displacing Oromo farmers.
Who are we?
Oromos.
Who are we?
Oromos.
Let them know who are we?
Oromos.
Who are we?
Oromos.
Stop genocide in Oromia.
Stop genocide in Oromia.
Respect human rights 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 in Oromia.
Lift the state of emergency in Oromia.
Leave the state of emergency in Oromia.
Lift the state of emergency in Oromia.
Leave the state of emergency in Oromia.
Ethiopian Armed Force.
Ethiopian Army Force.
Ethiopian Armed Force.
Ethiopian Army Force.
Stop killing Oromos.
Stop killing Oromos.
Stop raping Oromo women.
Stop raping Oromo women.
Stop displacing Oromo farmers.
Walikoda fayyata.
Stop burning Oromo village.
Stop burning Oromo village.
Stop killing Oromo women.
Stop killing Oromo women.
Ethiopian Armed Force.
Ethiopian Army Force.
Ethiopian Air Force.
Ethiopian Air Force.
Ethiopian Air Force.
Ethiopian Air Force.
Stop bombing Oromos.
Stop bombing Oromos.
Stop drone attack on Oromos.
Stop drone attack in Oromos.
Stop drone attack in Oromos. Eritrean troops out of Oromia. Amara militia out of Oromia.
Amara militia out of Oromia.
Oromia belongs to Oromos. Naftanya out of Oromia. Naftanya out of Oromia now.
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 Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Oromia belongs to Oromos.
Eritrean troops out of Oromia.
Oromia troops out of Oromia.
Eritrean troops out of Oromia now.
Eritrean troops out of Oromia now.
Amara militia out of Oromia now.
Amara militia out of Oromia now.
US. We demand. We demand. US. To independent investigation. For the independent investigation. For the crime against humanity.
For the crime against humanity.
In Oromia.
In Oromia.
In Tigray.
In Tigray.
On Wallo Oromos.
Wallo Oromos.
Justice for innocent Oromos.
Justice for innocent Oromos.
Justice for innocent Oromos.
Justice for innocent Oromos.
We demand.
We demand.
The release of our leaders. The release of OLF leaders. The release of Kafao leaders. The release of our political prisoners. We demand free Daud Ibsa. Daud Ibsa is our leader. Daud Ibsa is our leader. Colonel Gamachu Ayana is our leader. Lammi Benya is our leader. Jawar Muhammad is our leader. Bakala Garba is our leader. We demand the release of all Oromo political prisoners now. Who are we? What do we need? What do we need? Kawe barbanna. Mirki Oromo. Malin mirga Kenya defanna. Nuti Oromon wabo wajin jirra. Waran nibilisumma Oromo. Wanti jennu kun Oromoodhaaf jiran. Oromootu nu dhaggeeffata, qabsaa'ota keenyatu nu dhaggeeffata. Nuti Oromoon nuti Oromoon mirgi keenya kan eegamu qawweedhaani kan cabne Oromiyaan kan saamamte seenaan see kan bade qawweedhaani mataa keenya kan ol qabannu qawweedhaani woboon waraanni bilisummaa Oromoo hundumaaf qabsaa'aa jira. Hayyuun keenya nutti meera kan qabsoofnuuf warra nu jaallattuuf warra nu jibbituufi warra abbaa garaas bor biyya ishee kan qabaattu qawweedhaani. Kanaaf wobootti maa woboon isin dhaga'aa jiru woboo jirtu ijoollee Oromoo jirtu ijoollee Wallaggaa jirtu ijoollee Baalee jirtu eessa jirtu maaliif bilisoomna qawweedhaan bilisoomna karrayyuu ta'e sanan sirban ture sagaleen koo sirbaaf hin ta'u chaantiidhaaf malee garuu torban lama keessatti miti qabsisa jedhee isinitti himu torban lamaan tokko keessatti biyyatti sirbina qawweedhaan akka bilisoomna.
Oromos are for freedom. Oromos are for freedom. We marching for freedom. We marching for justice. We marching for equality. Oromo demand equality. We march for justice. We march for freedom. For freedom. Stop political repression in Oromia. Stop economic repression in Oromia. Oromo struggle is for justice. Oromo struggle for justice. We march for freedom. OLA fighting for the right of Oromo people. OLA fighting for the right of Oromo people. We stand with OLA. Daawid Ibsaa mana keessat hidhamee qabsoon Oromoo hidhamee hin ta'u namni hidhameef qabsoon hin hidhamu qabsaa'ota hidhuun qabsoo hidhuu miti amma qabsaa'ota hiitan qabsoon finiina. Free all Oromo political prisoners. 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 No repression. No democracy. Nothing about Oromo without Oromo. Nothing about Oromia without Oromia. Stop political repression in Oromia. Stop economic repression in Oromia. We march for peace. We march for justice. Peace, yes. War, no. Peace, yes. War, no. Peace, yes. War, no. Justice for Oromo prisoners. Justice for Oromia. Justice for Oromia. Peace for Oromia. Democracy for Oromia. Let people decide. Let people decide.
Let people decide.
Referendum.
Referendum.
Now.
Now.
Let people decide.
Let people decide.
Let people decide.
Let people decide.
Referendum.
Referendum.
Now.
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 Stop genocide in Oromia.
Stop genocide in Oromia.
Stop genocide in Oromia. Stop genocide in Oromia.
Stop genocide in Oromia.
Respect.
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 Human rights.
Human rights.
In Oromia.
In Oromia.
In Oromia.
In Oromia.
Leave state of emergency.
State of emergency.
In Oromia.
In Oromia.
Leave state of emergency. In Oromia. Leave command post. Command post on Oromia. On Oromia. Ethiopian Army Force. Ethiopian Army Force. Stop killing. Stop raping. Stop raping Oromo women. Ethiopian Army Force. Stop killing. Stop killing Oromo children. Ethiopian Army Force. Stop burning
Stop burning
Oromo village.
Oromo village.
Iya jedhama.
Oromoo jirtu hamma gadi ba'anii namni tokko xalayaa nurkaa fuudhutti mirga sagalee keenya dhageessifachuu qabna, mirga asii deemuu diduu qabna. Namni lamas namni sadii hafee as turree eeggannee xalayaa keenya kennan malee nu tuffatanii sagalee keenya dhaga'uu dhiisuu hin danda'an. Citizenii biyya kanaati waan barbaanne abbaa barbaannetti haasa'uu danda'uu qabna. Kanaaf hamma isaan obsa godhaa, hamma isaan dhufanii nurkaa fuudhanitti yoo dadhabdan illee yoo dheebottan illee Oromiyaan kana caalaa salphataa jirti. Ijoolleen keenya kana caalaa cabaa kufaa ajjeesaa jiru. Qabsoon immoo yeroo hundaa dadhabbii barbaada. Ani illee dadhabdaniitu jedhee waan tokko isiniin gaddan. Sababni isinii gadduuf isin qabu. Kuni mirga dhiiga Oromoo dhangala'u dhaabsisuudhaaf bosona galtanii qarreef qarree qeerroon as keessa jirtan bosona galtanii qabsaa'uu warra dandeessantu as dhaabbata saba jirtanii fi homaa tokko isinitti hin dhagaaminaan isiniin jedha. Waan tokko isiniin jechuu barbaada. Akka Oromootti yeroo hundaa wal bira dhaabbachuun laayivii gallee tuwiitii gochuun fakkeenyaaf stop drone attack on walla Oromos #free Oromia waan akkasii kana al tokkollee ammuma bakkuma jirru kanatti illee waan jedhamuu qabullee isin gaadii gochuu nan danda'a. Bilbiluma keessan baastanii warri tuwiitii gochuu dandeessan.
Warri kallattiin ilaalaa jiranis.
Warri kallattiidhaan artistiin keenya kallattiidhaan dabarsaa jira, nama kumaatamatu ilaalaa jira. Warri kallattiidhaan illee ilaalaa jirtan end crime against humanities in Oromia #free Oromia jechuun dandeessu. Yoo suuta jedhinaan jettan tuwiitii keessan seenaatii al tokko biyya lafaa irratti we can gochuu hin dandeenya. Tuwiitii 10,000 50 al tokko gochuun hin danda'ama. Warri kallattiidhaan nu wajjin jirtan as kan jirru Washington DC magaalaa guddittii United States keessa jirra. Oromiyaa biyya lafaa irra jirtan warri nu ilaalaa jirtan stop genocide on Walla Oromos or stop genocide the drone attacks on Walla Oromos #free Oromia kan kana fakkaatan seentanii Abiy Ahmedin waan balaaleffachuu danda'u al tokko hundi keenya yoo tuwiitii kana filadii gochuu hin dandeenya. Baay'inni keenya eebbaaf ta'uu qaba. Baay'inni keenya nu jabeessuu danda'uu qaba. Warri biyya alaa warri biyya lafaa kun warri dhaabbilee gurguddaan kun Twitter irratti baay'ee attentionii kennanii ilaalu. Kanaaf warra Oromoo salphisu yoo barbaadan YouTube irra galtanii isaanillee salphisuun hin danda'ama. Wanta amma jettan end crime against humanity in Oromia #Oromo protest. End crime against humanity in Oromia #Oromo protest. End crime against humanity. Oromoon biyya lafaarra jirtan warri laayivii kana argaa jirtan karaa adda addaatiin miidiyoota adda addaa qabna. Addisuu Karrayyuu jala warri jirtan
Gadaa
miidiyaa irrattis darbaa jira. Oromoo taatanii quuqama Oromoo qabdu warri Oromoon rakkoon Oromoo rakkoo kooti jettan tuwiitii kana tuwiitii godhaa. Yeroo tokko hundi keenya wal geenyee sagalee tokkoon sa'a kana end crime against humanity in Oromia. Hashtag Oromo protest. Kun tokko ta'uu danda'a. End crime against humanity in Oromia. Hashtag Oromo protest. Stop mass detentions of ethnic Oromos in Finfinne. Yeroo ammaa kana Dr. Henok Gabbisaallee tweetii godhaa jira. Isarraallee fudhattanii retweetii gochuu dandeessu. Ergaan kan qaqqabaa jiru akkasii retweetii gochuudhaan yookaas waanuma namni tokko tweetii godhe fakkeenyaaf inni dura isa jalqabaa yoo hin jedhe yoo irra deebi'ee dubbise end crime against humanity in Oromia. End crime against humanity in Oromia. Hashtag Oromo protest. Godhaa jirtu? Nu galaa jira? Good. Stop mass detentions. Warri lammataa gochuu barbaadan achuma irratti deebi'aati. Stop mass detentions of ethnic Oromos and the Tigrayans. Hashtag Oromo protest. Stop mass detentions. Stop mass detentions of ethnic Oromos and the Tigrays in Finfinne. Hashtag Oromo protest. Now, what retweet go Rajatan? Please tweet it sana. Tweet is a powerful, by the way. Umani Kenya kana ratile yo mutanno akasi kabane, mutanno akasi utu kabane. If we fled the whole entire tweet, they would say what mal kun is ninja. Hashtag Oromo protesting kun mal jeru. Namonni gurguddan senataroti warri baay'een iddoo gurguddaa qaban tweetii ilaalu yeroo hunda. So guyyaatti akka Oromootti manaa ba'uun qabdan, taaksii qabatanii deemuun qabdan, gaazii guuttachuun isin hin barbaachisu soofaa keessan irra taa'aati guyyaatti waan tokko tweetii godha. Yoo dandeessan warra Oromoodhaaf qabsaa'u hayyooti keenya aktivistooti keenya jiru isaanillee follow godha. Asitti obbo Tolchaan madirakii kana isaanittan dabarsaa isaantu geggeessaa jira. Namoonni gadi baatanii waan dubbatan qabdan illee carraa haasa'uu hin qabaattu. Oromiyaan bilisa hin baati. Jaallattus jibbitus diinni Oromiyaa keessaa hin ari'amti. Kan kana goonu immoo yoo tokkummaan keenya jabaate yoo cumnee qabsoofne calluma jennee mana taa'uudhaan tweetii gochuu dhiisuudhaan protestii gochuu dhaabuudhaan woboo gargaaruu dhiisuudhaan Oromoon bilisa hin baatu. Woboo bira dhaabbachuun dirqama Oromummaati. Woboo gargaaruun dirqama Oromummaati. Waraanaan cabne waraanaan bilisoomne kana irratti walii galla miti Oromoo. Kana irratti walii galla miti warri laayivii nu argitan woboon Oromiyaadhaaf kufee kuffisaa jira. Bilisa bahuuf guyyaa muraasan nu hafe waraana keenya biraa dhaabbannu xumura keenya haa tolfannu. Wal jaallanna wal bira dhaabbanna bilisa ni baana. Namni dubbachuu barbaadan bakka kanatti dhuftanii ummati Oromoo adreesii gochuu dandeessu. Namooti baay'een akka as jiran nama baay'eetu jira nuyi baay'eedha. Garuu namoonni kumaatamaan miliyeenaan immoo nu ilaalaa jiru. Hamileen keenya isaan gammachiisaa jiru. Kana tekstii nu godhaa jiru nutti himaa jiru. Jabaattanii Oromoof sagalee ta'uun keessaniif isin galateeffanna jedhaa jiru. Isinin jaalladhaa isinan galateeffadhaa guyyaa gabaabaa keessatti dhuftanii kumaatamaan immoo baana dhiyootti. Obbo Tolchaatti hin dabarsa.
Ayyee galatoomii Eliyaas kana taansee jarri egaa nama baay'ina keenya baaniitii nuti fatanatti fakkaata. Hin dhufne jechaa jiranii. Warra asii kanatti immoo innaan isaan immoo malee waan biraan qabanii kan murteessu warra sana. Yoo dhufanii garuu amma sanatti Dr. Baaruun xalaa hawaasni Oromoo Communitiin qopheessee jira. Silaa odoo isaan dhufanii isaan fuulduratti dubbifama jennee yaadnee jirrayyuu. Hin dhufnee waan maafiyyuu Dr. Baaruun amma xalaa nuti qopheessine hangalfannu kana nu haa dubbisu innaa dhufanii isaanumatti kenninaa yookiin irra deebi'ee dubbifama yoo dhufan jechuudha. Kanaaf Dr. Baaruu nu dubbisaa. Dhaggeeffadhaa hundi keessaniyyuu xalaa boordi koominiitiidhaan barreeffame.
Yesu utuun ture eegnee dubbisne baroo ture garuu yeroo fudhataa deemanii rakkattoon akka kootii immoo makiina iddoon taanetti gattee dhuftee so inni jala akka isaan hin gotomneefan sodaadhe dhaqee makiina iddoodhaa tochoosee dhufe dheetani. Kanaaf isinii dubbisee yoo deebi'ee dhufe yoo isaan dhufanii isaanittis immoo hin himna rakkoon hin jiru. The Honorable Anthony J. Blinken, Secretary of State, U.S. Department of State, U.S. Dear Mr. Secretary, we, members of Oromo community organizations, are writing to bring to your attention the war crimes, crimes against humanity, and ethnic cleansing perpetrated against the Oromo people in Oromia regional state of Ethiopia and elsewhere by the government of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and his allies. The kind of gross human rights violations, mass incarceration, torture, extrajudicial killing, and rape that the world see in Tigray are also targeted against the residents of Oromia and the southern states of the government of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and its partners in crime, Eritrean security forces and the Amhara militia. The deployment of Ethiopian army and security forces, Eritrean mercenaries and Amhara militia who are behaving in a barbaric fashion deep inside Oromia, Benishangul Gumuz, Command, Agao, Western Tigray and other parts of the country has widened the conflicts in Ethiopia and created a greater human tragedy, displacing millions more people and exposing them to starvation. The government of Prime Minister Abiy has continued escalating the conflict, plunging the country into a protracted civil war, creating massive displacement and man-made intervention that requires urgent attention. Understanding the worst consequence of Abiy Ahmed's very dangerous politics, we applaud and fully support the action being taken by the United States and the international community as of today. We humbly appeal and call upon the United States government and the global community to intervene immediately to halt the worsening humanitarian, political, economic, social and security crisis in Ethiopia, and to put pressure on the government of Ethiopia to stop the criminal war that will lead to more bloodshed and ultimate state collapse, with the devastating consequences for the entire Horn of Africa and the Red Sea at large. Recommendations. We suggest the United States take deliberate steps that will lead to preparing and convening of an inclusive political dialogue for the purpose of drawing up an agreement for a transition to democracy and stability in the region. The immediate goal should be, 1, end the senseless war and inhuman treatment of civilians both in the north and in the heartland of Oromia. Open access for delivery of humanitarian assistance to victims of war, famine and displacement. Release all political prisoners, for example, Jawar Mohammed, Bekele Garba, and others of the Oromo Federalist Congress and dozens of OLF leaders and members in custody for over a year now. Withdraw the Ethiopian army and parliamentary forces from all civilian areas. Return of Amhara militia to Amhara region. Expel Eritrean and other foreign troops from all parts of the country. Take steps for all-inclusive, participatory and transparent political dialogue that will culminate in the establishment of an all-inclusive transitional government of the country. And finally, commence independent investigation into war crimes, crime against humanity, ethnic cleansing, genocide acts, extrajudicial killings, and human rights violations. Thank you in advance for attention to our people to save millions of lives and save the country from a potentially devastating violence and state collapse. Jade Adam, Chairperson, Oromo Community Organization.
Galatoma Dr. Baru ulfaadha baay'ee galatoma egaa yoo dhufan irra deebineetoo Dr. Baru jiraatanis jiraachuu baatan namni biraan dubbisa kan amma isaan jechaa jiran xalaa harkaa qabatanii isinii kennina jedhu egaa meetti koo eegneeti xalaallee nu kennan haa kennan jechuudha rakkoon jiru maal inni
tolega kabajamtoota daawwattoota keenya yeroo ammaatti kan daawwachaa jirtan kallattii dhagganaa miidiyaadhaanis darbaa jira. Hawaasni keenya ammallee waan gochaa jirru ammallee akka hawaasa bilisoomeetti mallattoo hin leebine rafuun barbaachisaa miti sanaafuu hawaasni Oromoo Waashingten DC fi naannoo isheetti argamtan bakki keessanuu waan hawaasni keenya itti jiru dagachuu hin qabnu warri yeroo keessa laattanii yeroo ammaa bakka kanatti
Dala berarti bagian dulu. Jual boran ke satu.
Asli argam tadi sudah kesunu galat masih
Oromoon immoo waan nuti qoolaaf godhatti gadi baasanii tokko tajjeessaa jiru. Kanaaf yeroon kun yeroo afaan qabannee walitti deebinee teenyuuti yeroo halkanii guyyaa jiru namni keenya dhumaa jira. Kan caala wanta nurra ga'u jiru. Oromoo irra yeroo kamiyyuu caala isa seenaadhaan beeknu yeroo akka ammaa kana Oromoon rakkoo nama Oromoo irra ga'u kan yeroo kamiyyuu adda yeroo ammaa kana irra ga'u. Manni namaa akka jirutti gubate. Qe'een namaa akka jirutti gubate. Du'uu miti du'a sanallee wayyu. Qe'ee mana tokkotti akka jirutti ibiddi tanaqxee guddee maatiin isaa hin gubate. Maatiin isaa maaliin nyaata? Maal jiraatu? Wanti ittiin jiraatan hin jiru. Rakkoo guddaa Oromoo irra kan jiru. Kanaaf haalli amma jiraachuun kun Oromoodha gaarii miti. Oromoo dhumaa jira. Rakkoo guddaatu irra jira. Haa ta'u immoo waan kanas humna qabachaa jirra. Amma humni keenyas duuba uummanni keenya uummanni Oromoo waraanni bilisummaa Oromoo jabaatee jira. Waraana kana bukkee immoo akka nama tokkotti bira dhaabbachaa turan hundi keessaniyyuu hojii bira jirra. Jabeenyi hoos hin jabaattan isaan yoo nuti jabaanne isaan alaa jabaatan haala gaarii jira. Jabaadhaa. Egaa amma yeroo fitu namoonni dubbatanii jiru. Luba Saamu'eel kenna achi obbo Baqqalaa kenna.